Dale Carnegie said, "Most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept on trying when there seemed to be no hope at all." Arise, champion. Now perseverance transforms average, everyday people into world champions. So the key to victory, the key to success is never giving up. And in order for you to do that, rise, champion, you're gonna need a strong why to prevail, a strong reason to keep going. You see, the more difficult your obstacles are to overcome, the more you must keep your reasons for succeeding in front of you. Vince Lombardi said, "The difference between a successful person and others is not a lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but a lack of will." Success is not about how you look on the outside. Rise, champion. You might look like a Lamborghini, mean and clean everywhere you go. But see, I'm interested in what's under the hood, cause that's what really matters. When life hits you with that brick, and you get knocked down on that mat, and I'm talking to the Linda Rouseys of the world, the ones that been knocked down once and twice, and everybody out there is calling you a failure, everybody out there saying it's over. What are you gonna do? Rise, champion. I don't even think they should be able to call you a champion until you've been beat, because even losers keep going when they're winning. But when you get hit with that brick and you on that mat on your back, rise, champion. Then we separate the cream from the crop. Only when you're down 25 points on the biggest stage like Tom Brady, and you come back and we call you the greatest of all time. Abraham Lincoln said, "I am not concerned that you have fallen. I am concerned that you arise." Champions make adjustments, not excuses. Get up! The ground, the mat, being on your back is no place for a champion. Get up! Rise, champion. Now you at that crossroads. The decision you make now will ultimately define your legacy. I'm speaking to the Tiger Woods of the world. Each loss, each setback, each heartbreaking disappointment will try to disguise itself as failure, but it's all a lie. And let us not grow weary of doing good, for in due season we shall reap if we do not give up. Many times on the road to success, you're gonna feel crushed, exhausted, and alone. See, life, it's not like Little League. Arise.
Nós chegamos a 3 dias sem dormir, né? De competência é sábado e domingo, e queda por nada para o outro, já era, nada para domingo, sem dormir. Para absorver isso, já tem boiado sobre 30 filhos, portanto, Jesus cuida de cada categoria. Se tem 3 categorias, 6 categorias, daí vai pelo menos 70 filhos. Vários filhos, então desde que eu motivar-me, tem entramento de clima. Se eu mandei para pelo menos uns 12, 4 anos, eu estou hoje no clima, eu estou dando a competência, a mensagem, justamente fui a progressar o último tempo, o gente trabalhando a cabeça, tem uma coisa coisa da fase, para daí a cabeça, mais de 25 anos passando, não está parando, lá, começar por o homem, 2 primeiros, o cai na yonga, piscina, que sei. Miami vai tocar para o Henry Rafael, o Legend vai tocar o outro back. Deus, vou entrar.
Wages composer who never blows his composure. Even though I hold the weight of the whole world on my shoulders, I ain't never supposed to show it. My crew ain't supposed to know it. Even if it means going toe to toe with the Benzino, it don't matter. I never drag them in battles that I can handle unless I absolutely have to. I'm supposed to set an example. I need to be the leader. My crew looks for me to guide them. If some shit ever just pop off, I'm supposed to be beside him. That Josh said I tried to squash it. It was too late to stop it. There's a certain line you just don't cross, and he crossed it. I heard him say Haley's name on the song and I just lost it. It was crazy. This shit went way beyond some Jay-Z and Nas shit. And even though the battle was won, I feel like we lost it. I spent so much energy on it. Honestly, I'm exhausted and I'm so caught in it. I almost feel I'm the one who caused it. This ain't what I'm in hip-hop for. It's not why I gotten it. That was never my object, for someone to get killed. Why would I wanna destroy something I helped build? That wasn't my intentions. My intentions were good. I went through my whole career without ever mentioning it. That was just out of respect for not running my mouth and talking about something that I knew nothing about. Frustrates, told me stay out. This just wasn't my beef, so I did. I just fell back, watched and gritted my teeth while he's all over TV. Now I'm talking to a man who literally saved my life. Like fuck it, I understand this is business, and this shit just isn't none of my business. But still knowing this shit could pop off at any minute. To be a time when you could just say a rhyme and wouldn't have to worry about one of your people dying. But now it's elevated, cause once you put so much kids in it, the shit gets escalated. It ain't just words no more, is it? It's a different ballgame. You call names and you ain't just rapping. We actually tried to stop the 50 and Jobby from happening. Me and Dre had sat with him, kicked it and had a chat with him and asked him not to start it. He wasn't gonna go after him until Josh started gabbing in magazines how we stabbed him. Fuck 50, smash him, mash on him, let him have it. Meanwhile, my attention's pulled in another direction. Some receptionist at the source who answers phones at his desk has an erection for me and thinks that I'll be his resurrection. Tries to blow the dust off his mic and make a new record, but now he's fucked the game up, cause one of the ways I came up was through that publication. The same one that made me famous, now I'm the owner of it. It's got a grudge against me for nothing. Well fuck it, that motherfucker could get it too. Fuck him, but I'm so busy being pissed off I don't stop to think that we just inherited 50's beef with Murder Inc. And he's inherited mine, which is fine. Ain't like either of us mine. We still have soldiers that's on the front line, that's willing to die for us as soon as we give the orders. Never to extort us, strictly to show they support us. Or maybe shout them out in the rapper up in the chorus to show them we love them back and let them know how important it is to have Runyon Avenue soldiers up in our corners. The loyalty to us.
Boa tarde. Después un dia largo de somente frio, você aqui com? Dá-lhe Heineken a número de todos que participar, categoria A, categoria B. Para mim é uma experiência back después de 2 para 4 anos sobre fel, mas eu do meu irmão Sérgio. Sérgio é campeão da categoria A, categoria B. Também não se pode bem, nós temos bom frio, pero touchamento, sabe? A mim também não quero discutir mais, não quero pleito com ninguém mais. Meu irmão se é pleito, podem mirar bem uma corta linha e me abandonar o fel. A mim também para evitar, depois de 4 anos, a mim estou contente com o WAC, com minha nova experiência, minha filha não está para, e me está tendo filha que passar a mim. Pero trovo, não touch, eu não faço, não touch outra banda, estamos só cerca de outro, não touch outra banda, se cai de balanço. Tem que abrir mesmo, tem quase todo na bingo na cabeça, me tem ainda, então, bless romano, saúde, nós temos um copo assim.